Da-da-da-da-da. Let's eat. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's eat. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's eat.
Thanks for joining us today. We are here at Surly Johnson's, which is on Route 138 in Rainham, and we're here with Christian Fauria, former New England Patriot and Surly Johnson owner. Hi, Christian.
Hi,
how are you?
I'm doing great. I'm one of many owners here.
One of many owners.
The great Surly Johnson Sports Bar and Grill.
Yes.
Yeah, it's doing good.
Good.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Yeah, thanks
About
for
time.
Thanks
Been
for
here a
joining
year.
us.
I mean, where have you been?
We've been waiting for the
All right.
right moment.
Make sure we can make it to a year. Now
Yes.
you know we're here to stay. Okay, good. I get it. I get how
and
it
you've
is.
been here a year, so now we
Yeah.
want to talk to you.
Okay.
So just tell us a little bit about Surly's, about the name, why you chose Rainham, just sort of a little background on the restaurant.
Background, why we chose Rainham. One of the owners grew up here, so you know, he knew this area pretty well, so it was a pretty good fit for us. You know, we knew that, you know, this had been BB Binks in the past and had been pretty successful.
Yep.
Had a couple places that didn't succeed as much, but we knew that, you know, with the right work ethic and you know ability to change and our menu based on you know what works and what doesn't.
Yeah. And it's a great location. I mean, people
Yeah,
drive
you know,
by this street every day. 495 is right up the road. So
Yeah, I wish they would pull their cars into here a little bit more, but you know, it's getting great. You know, the name Surly Johnson Sports Bar and Grill is named after suburban legend Artemis Johnson, who was just your local sports fan who grew up in New England and who had the unlucky misfortune to miss every significant sporting event in New England sports history. And the story goes that you know, for every significant event, he missed it for some reason or whatever. The Super Bowls, I think he lost his ticket. The Red Sox championship, his granddaughter was born, and he became so uptight and so miserable that people just nicknamed him Surly.
Surly.
So there is a table for Surly here. The rules are that you can sit there as long as Surly doesn't come in. If he does come in, you got to get out.
So he is an actual person, or
Actual
is this
person.
a legend of sorts?
No, he's a guy. He comes in every now and then.
Really?
It's you know, he's the type of guy that is like, to me, coming from LA, he's what I thought a New England guy would be. You know, very
Surly.
very temperamental, very opinionated. Loves the sports teams. Is always yelling and screaming at the TV. Will be as argumentative as anything, and you will think he wants to fight you. But it's almost like a badge of honor that he'll buy you a beer and then you'll be best friends. So that's the type of guy. So when I met him, I was a little nervous. You know, because he called me out on every last thing that I did wrong through my whole career. And I was like, dude, you watch way too many sports.
Well, it's because he misses them.
Yes.
You know, live, so all he can do is analyze them.
Yeah, there's some background on our website if you go to it that tells the story about it. It's really interesting.
What's the website? Give the viewers
www.surlyjohnson.com.
That's easy
Check it
enough.
out. There's some pictures of the food
and there's also a Facebook page too. I know that. So if anybody's on Facebook, check them out on
yes,
Facebook as well.
because if you watch us on Facebook, we always talk about what are the events we have, who's showing up, what celebrity bartender we have on Monday night, do we have a psychic? So there's a different things that we do.
Good segue.
Yeah.
You've done this before, haven't
what?
you?
No.
Never. So with that said, why don't you tell us, obviously it's a pretty big space. I was here personally last week for Mickey Ward was here,
Yep.
celebrity guest. You mentioned yourself that there's some celebrity guests. So why don't you sort of fill us in on what events you do, what events are coming up, what
Okay.
are you available for? Do you do like business functions?
Well, we do everything. There's nothing that we, but as far as event nights, we try and do a lot of event nights. Monday is celebrity bartending night. During the football season, it's always like one of the players of the Pats, either a current player or a past player. Usually we put the guy's name up on the board as soon as we know who it's going to be, and then you just come in Monday night. I think it's from 7 to 8, for Monday Night Football. And then the off season of football, we just get whoever's in town.
And that's just open to the public. Anybody can come in.
Of course, come on in, hang out. During the off season, it's a little harder sometimes because you know the guys are off. But once you know, now we have a lockout. But we have Mickey.
So they'll be free.
Yeah.
You'll have your choosins.
Yeah, right? They have nothing to do. Maybe I'll
They'll
hire
be
them as a
bored.
bartender. They'll all probably stink and drink all the profits. But yeah, so we always we had a psychic night. Monday night also became a ladies' night, like a bachelorette night, dancing with the stars.
Nice.
You know, we cater to the ladies on Monday night, give them their space around the bar. I walk around in a bow tie, no t-shirt. So it seems to really get people fired up. No, it's weird. There's no guys here on Monday night. It's weird. And also, I mean, as far as like the space, we do a lot in the community. We're always like having a charity event. So we had the Raynham Giants in here. You know, sent them off for their big game they had. And as far as the space goes, if you need the space, we give you the space. We don't we don't charge or anything. Come have your event here. We always do some sort of a food special to help out. We had I actually brought my kids, my son's baseball banquet here. We had it in the room. So we'll set up like Xbox, Wii, so the kids can play.
Parents can play.
Really, the parents love it because the kids are so preoccupied. We have a pool table now that we brought in, and that's another thing that that we love. But other than that, like we have a car shows that we're going to start doing
in the summertime.
In the summertime, we have a wing bowl, a wing challenge that we're going to be throwing also.
That's great.
And if you go to the website, you can see all the dates. But the car show, I'm really excited about because we're going to have like a Father's Day special. We're going to have a Cape run where we go to another restaurant down on the Cape, which is in Dennisport. So lots of things happening at Surly. Definitely probably the hottest spot in all of Raynham, if not New England. And the food is fantastic. Oh my God, another segue.
Oh my gosh, go figure. Wow, you're making my job so easy.
You know, it's funny because like you talk about drinks. You know, when I need a drink at Surly's, it's very simple. All I do is I snap my fingers, or I clap my hands. I do that. It's kind of like a slap on, and here comes my drink. Whoa! Tell you what. Not much on finesse here at Surly's, but you get your drink when you want it.
All right, so now that we've sort of given the background and the history, what are you going to make for us today? Are you going to make it? Are you chef?
I'm getting my hands dirty. My assistant is going to help us. We have a great chef here. He's also one of the owners. His name's Paul, and it's fantastic. We're always changing our menu, trying to make sure we get everything right the way people like. But there's a couple things that I love. Now, most people say, okay, they'll tell you, oh, the food is great because they're owner, and it really isn't, okay? If it sucked, I would tell you, don't order it. It's terrible, okay? There's nothing on this menu that I think is bad. And there's some other things that I think are just phenomenal, especially I love pizza. Our pizza is awesome. Fresh
Pizza's
dough.
good. Everybody loves pizza.
It's all fresh dough. We hand toss it in there. The hamburgers, fresh. There's nothing frozen in this place. The French fries are fresh. If you guys know, like we cut them ourselves, and so there's nothing frozen. And we also have a special dessert that's not even on the menu. That's a secret. Secret. I make them. And so it's called a Surly Donut. But they're not on the menu, so you have to ask for it special.
You heard that. Ask special for the donuts.
And our signature drink. We're going to make that for you also.
Excellent. All right, well, let's get back in the kitchen and let's go see what Christian's going to make for us. So we're now in the kitchen, backstage at Surly Johnson's. We've got Christian in front of the oven, making him work in front of the stove. Yep. And what are you going to make for us?
A hot stove. First, you're going to help me.
I am going to help you.
So first,
all right.
Every good chef needs like a dirty rag.
Okay, got a dirty rag.
Put that rag on there.
Yep.
I'll put my rag like that because I always want to wash hands. We both have cleaned our hands. So right now, I mean, this is French onion soup we got boiling right now.
Big old vat.
It's a big old vat. Now remember, like everything here is fresh. Nothing is frozen. You can go down the street and get some frozen food if you want. You act like it tastes good.
I'm good. I'm okay.
But it is. You want to get the fresh stuff, and sometimes the freshness takes a little longer to cook, but you enjoy it.
Yes.
You savor it.
Yes.
You sit there and it marinates in your mouth. All right.
And it doesn't taste frozen.
No, it does. So here's what you're gonna do. Okay, here's the chili. This is another signature dish we have here that's won tons of awards in other countries. We just haven't gotten the plaques yet to show them. But they are coming. FedEx is holding them up. We haven't paid it. All right, so here's the chili. But we're gonna do. You and I are gonna make a pizza. Okay.
All right, we're making a
pizza.
pizza.
So I've already prepared that for you. I'm gonna set this up. So what I usually do is, I actually spent like a good 4 months in Italy, learning how to do this.
Mastering the technique.
Mastering the technique. See, I don't do it. So I'm going to do this part. I'm going to roll it.
Right.
And the thing about the Surly pizza is that it's not round. That's another key.
It's a unique shape.
It is a unique shape. We kind of decided that.
Kind of like a snowflake. Every shape is different.
Or fingerprint.
Or fingerprint.
Oh God, we're so on the same page.
Look at this.
God. Okay, so right now, they usually comes out in different shapes and different forms, and that's just kind of the way we like it. We have a signature way of doing everything here. Okay, so there it is right there.
That one kind of looks like an alien head.
It kind of almost, or like if you could actually look like, let me see, you can have like an eye right there, and then like.
It's lovely.
And then you kind of like give it a little happy face.
Little saucy happy face.
Yeah, you remember the movie The Mask with Jim Carrey?
Yes.
That looks like The Mask.
Exactly, but not even close.
Not even close. All right.
We must have watched different versions of that movie.
All right, so I like a lot of sauce on mine.
Okay.
So like, you know, Paul, the chef here, you know, he taught me how to do this. After I went to Italy, I spent all this money learning how to cook it. And
Showed
if
you
I
the
would have
right way to do
known
it.
how easy it was, I wouldn't have went to Italy. Okay, so there's the sauce.
All right.
Okay, you put the cheese on.
Oh, I'm cheesing it?
You're
Okay,
the
let's
cheese
see.
head. You're from Wisconsin. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Is there a method to
However
this,
you
or-
want. This is your pizza.
Okay,
this is
let's
our
see.
pizza.
Let's see. I got a little bit of pizza making in my blood here, so we'll see.
I'm getting direction from the back. Okay, so there you
How
go.
we looking?
He looks really good.
How we
Okay.
looking? Is that enough?
That's perfect.
I like extra
you like
cheese,
extra? Well,
so I
bust
do.
it out with cheese.
All right.
Okay.
We'll put a little bit more
Okay. Good.
in the
All right.
red spots here.
So here's the other thing about
Okay.
Surly. There is no like, you know, conveyor belt pizza. We have an old school
Yes.
oven. All right. So now you and I are gonna make a fish and chip. Here's the rules. Just very, very like really pay attention.
Okay. All right. Show me.
Fish is in the batter.
Yes.
Fish into the beer. Back into the batter.
Is this a secret recipe that you're divulging, or is this
I think
just regular rule?
Anheuser-Busch helped us with that
Got
one.
it,
That's
okay,
like beer batter
okay.
fish and chips. Yeah. So
So
go ahead,
there-
dig in.
all right. Oh,
They don't
boy.
get your hands dirty. Get your hand in there. You gotta make sure you lather it up.
It's not
there you
gonna
go.
bite me.
You know, get
All
a
right.
bunch in there.
All right. I'm not afraid.
There you go.
How's that? Is that
Yeah,
good?
a little more, a little more.
A little more?
Okay, now stick it in the beer. There you go. Give it a nice soak it up. Yeah, we like all the kids that eat our fish and chips. Okay, now take it out. Okay, there you go. Stick it back
Batter
in
it
there.
again?
There you go.
Okay. Looking good.
Make it nice and good.
This
you
is
know,
going to be the best
this fish and
batch
chips, like,
of fish and chips Surly's ever seen.
yeah, I believe it. You know, because you know what you're doing. All right, so you're gonna take that, stick it in here.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put it on our brand new fryer that we just got from Fryers R Us. So anyway, so that's frying up right now.
All right,
So
I'm
while
gonna-
that's frying up, I'm gonna throw some fries in. Okay. So these are the freshly cut fries. Okay. Only from Idaho. Okay. We don't mess around. They're the best. Okay. Stick them in there. I want to fry those up too. These are Surly donuts. As you can see,
I've heard wonderful things about the Surly donuts.
not
I'm
on the
not
menu.
gonna lie.
Wait, do we have the sugar? We do have. I don't know if we have sugar. We might not have it. You might not be able to make it. There's such in high demand. We're gonna make them
What are
anyway.
the masses going to think when they
Okay.
come here later and there's no sugar for the
Again,
donut?
this is not on the menu. You have to ask for the Surly donuts.
Okay.
And the only way you can get it is if you ask for a special.
All
Okay.
right.
So,
Can
me see.
the viewers specifically say,
Oh.
Christian told me
huh?
to
Yes.
order them?
Yes.
Okay.
So let me just get this thing floured up a little bit because it's too sticky. And again, I washed my hands, so I don't want anybody to worry about it. Okay, hold on. That's for
Ta-da!
later.
Sugar?
Okay, hold on.
Let's make sure it's not
I
salt.
need some more flour.
We're good.
Garçon! More, sorry. Flour. Okay, hold on. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna let
Yeah,
you
let me
cut
see what
it.
I can do here for
There
you.
you go. See, it's
Teamwork.
teamwork.
Teamwork. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty.
There we go.
There
There's a little bit more flour. Whoa, there we go. Not shy over here. There we go.
Perfect.
Okay, hold on. I like my donuts a certain way, so when I do the dough, there's no messing around. You know, Paul has a special way of doing it also, which is still good. Okay. So let me see if we
He's
can.
giving you credit, Paul. Don't you worry.
So you see, it's still sticking. You don't
Little
want that.
sticky.
You don't want that. So I got to do it over again. See, well, the other thing is, like, you notice if we figure something's wrong, we're not bringing out stuff that isn't right. Okay, you got to knead it. Like this is what it's like a football workout. And you got to work it in there. People are gonna say, "I got flour as a donut." Okay.
All right. Looking good. It's looking good.
All right, let me
Christian.
try this again.
I don't know. I see a wet spot right there.
I know, right? I don't like this. See,
Come on. Let me get in there.
it's just taking
right.
over.
Now try it.
Okay.
All right.
Get in
Now
there.
we're cooking.
Get in there.
Now we're cooking. Get out of your way.
Okay. Do I have a pizza cutter there, chef? All right. So you're gonna, Monica, you're gonna
I'm
do the
gonna
cutting.
Okay.
But there's
ready.
a special way to cut it.
All right. Show me.
Okay.
Teach me, master of the donut.
Okay. I want people to appreciate how much work goes into making these donuts because they're not easy. A lot of love. Anyone can like just slap a little circle and, you know, really, what is a donut anyways? If a donut didn't have a hole, it'd be a Danish, wouldn't it? No? Okay, anyways, all right.
Be a globby mess, I
Okay.
think is what it would be.
So here's what I'm gonna do, okay?
All right.
So we cut it. What you want is we don't want circles here. We're different here. So here now you're gonna cut
my
it
turn.
triangly.
Ooh.
You make it like here you go.
All right.
So
let's
start
see.
here, go across. Okay.
Oops.
With
like that?
love.
Little
There you
gentle,
go.
gentle touch
Yes. There you go.
Okay.
Stroke it.
here. Go.
Easy. There you go.
All right. That good?
That's perfect. Okay.
We got a couple of minis.
That's
mini
okay. We
ones.
like the minis. So
All
those
right.
are free. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my fish. Okay. Is my fish done?
Smells good.
Fish is almost done. Fries look like they're done. So take the fries out. Where's my salt at? Oh, salt. I usually go like this with the salt. Blindly. See how good that is? Like, watch. It's like I get good luck and freshness.
Try not to get it in my eyes.
See? All right, so that's that.
All
Okay,
right.
so now is the fish done? I think my assistant over here
I
to
didn't
make
hear
sure the
any
fish is
beeping.
done. It's done. This is
This
done.
is done.
Okay. Usually I wouldn't do this with the donut stuff on here, but it's a big piece of fish.
That is
Now,
Is that a normal serving? Is that how
that
much
is
you would
a
get?
normal serving.
Wow.
That's a normal serving. People love our fish. All right,
big piece
so
of
now
fish. All
we're
right.
gonna make the donuts.
Okay,
do we have
time to
sugar?
make the donuts.
Do we have sugar? Oh, okay. All right, so
All
go
right,
ahead.
Go ahead. Oh, what
All
am
right.
I doing?
So these are big honking pieces, okay?
Yeah.
One. These are actually super huge. We'll make some big ones. Okay, and I'll put a little baby in there. What we really do is we're really generous with our donuts. Excuse me.
Nice. Go for it.
Okay. Donuts are quick. Okay. So we got to be on the point real quick with this. You're going to be in charge of sugar. Okay.
Okay,
So
I
there's
got
the
it.
sugar. Okay. Now these
can do
cook
that.
really quick. I need. Let me see. I need my tongs. Where's my tongs at? Okay. Here we go. So these cook really quick. So you got to
Bring
flip
that
them
over
quick.
to you here.
No,
There we
I'm
go.
not-
Oh yeah, it's like carnival dough.
Please don't insult. You know, people
The
say that,
donuts.
and when you say dough, like somebody came in here and said, "I want some fried dough," I almost punched them.
Because it's not. They're
Got very-
surly donuts.
Yeah, very, very different. You'll see the consistency of the dough and the way they taste is
I'm very
nothing
excited.
like.
Well, look how puffy they're getting.
yeah, they're puffy because they're surly. Puffy's
surly.
Surly's very full of himself,
Yeah.
of his opinions. You know.
So they're very symbolic.
And here's the other thing: is you got to eat these fresh. This isn't something that you order and you take home with you. You eat them here, and then they're awesome. You let them sit; they're still good. We can brown bag it for you. You know, so put some sugar on the plate
Okay,
now.
on the plate. Is there,
You mean you lather it up? You got to load it up.
All right. I
Okay.
got no problem with that. All right, here we go.
I mean, a lot more
Look at
than
that.
you think is normal. More.
More?
Get it all over you. Okay. So now.
All right.
Okay. So now start
Oh,
loading it
yeah.
up. As I put them on, just dump. Yeah, dump it on there. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. I mean, he's got to be completely dumped with sugar.
How many containers of sugar do you go through when you?
Well, remember, this isn't on the
that's
menu.
right. That's
okay.
right.
So
Well,
now I'll help you out. So we are just messing you up.
You be the professional.
Okay. So I dump
so
it on
you've
there.
got the shake method
You gotta
down.
have
I
the-
just sort of.
And then you got to lather it up.
Oh yeah.
This in a cup of
Those are good.
coffee or a Dirty Johnson.
Which is our next.
And this is a.
There you go.
So I'm gonna make you try one of these
The
now.
donut special.
Let me see. Hold on. It's really hot. Let me see.
Am I gonna burn my mouth?
No, hold on. Let me try it.
Am I gonna have to go to the hospital after this?
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's so
You're
good. It's so good. Seriously?
All right. Okay,
gotta try
I
one.
believe you. I believe you.
Hold on.
All right.
Let me make one for you. Let me make
All right.
one for you.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
See, that's a sin. I can't send that out. Okay, hold it right here on the end.
All right. Oh, I thought you were gonna feed it to me.
No,
Oh.
I can't do that. I see your husband watching me. Don't take the sugar off. What are you
Oh,
doing?
sorry. I'm sorry. Here, let me put
What
it
are you
back
doing?
on. Let me put it back on. Hold on. Okay.
Rookie. Be honest now. Be honest. No, don't just say it's good because we're on TV. Say it's so good. Oh my God. You gotta say it like that. People, when they eat it, they go, oh my God, it's so
It's
good.
so good. It's
Right?
It's just really hot.
Oh, is that what it was? All right, hold on. Oh my God, it's so good.
No, it is. It is. It's actually really
Okay.
good. I'm gonna finish.
Okay. And then,
I'll go put it down.
this is
Oh,
the
yeah.
magic of television.
Oh,
Okay.
what a beautiful pizza.
I want you to go to what it looked like before I put it in. This happened when I took it out. So let's cut this too. Is this where you want to do this, by the way?
What's that?
Are we doing this here? Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then we'll bring it out and
Okay.
sit and I'll
All right. So
chat a little bit more.
also, like I said, Here's the beauty about this. Like when I cook, I just leave a mess.
So you got Paul.
No, Paul's not cleaning anything up after me. All right. And the pizza is phenomenal. The dough, like I said, is fresh. And it comes out like in a real
rolled, as you guys all saw.
And then here's the fries. I mean, that is the fish and chips. The pizza, like I said, it's going to be really hot right now, so I wouldn't eat it.
Yeah.
But and there's a pizza and the chili.
Oh, that's right, and the soup.
The chili, and well, fresh onion soup.
Yeah.
And so usually, like I said, just like when I get the drinks, if I want my chili, watch. Garçon, I would like my chili.
Should I duck?
Yeah, it's good. You ever seen the Swedish Chef? That's the chili, that's the pizza, that's the fish, that's the donut, that's the bird.
Yay!
So you got everything.
All right, we're gonna go sit down and we're gonna try some of this stuff.
All right.
We'll chat a little more.
All right, let's go.
All right, I'm gonna get
let's
cleaned
wash up.
So we are now out of the kitchen with all of our lovely meals that Christian has prepared for us, and now we're gonna get some drinks. Now, obviously, Surly Johnson, a surly man, probably a drinker.
A surly man means a lot.
Yes. Are there any specialties that you guys have?
Yes.
Any house
drinks?
There's
a very special drink that we have. It's called the Surly tea. Now, there's a different variety of Surly teas. I want to let you decide.
Okay.
Because the tea is made special by a monk in India. And what we do is we bring it over on a boat, on a rowboat.
Yes. Is he bringing the plaques?
He brings the plaques also.
Okay.
So what happens is he brings it over because he's got to ferment. So we have it in cycle. So right now we have the tea in special for you.
Okay.
So I knew you were going to want one.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
So first off, the Surly's, the Surly tea comes in a nice little glass here. It's Canadian glass because we like to really screw with people's minds. So we give them an American drink served in a Canadian glass.
Yeah, well, you know what? You're open to everybody. That's your sign.
All right.
You're open to everybody.
Okay. First things first. Okay. There's the different types of Dirty Johnsons. Okay. They're all dirty. First of all. So this is, and I'm gonna keep it clean. This is hefty amount. Oh.
Yes.
Where is
it? We'll do.
All right. So this is a dirty tea.
All right.
Okay.
So that's rum that you put in there?
That is rum that I put in, but this is the tea which has a lot of different things in it. But if you can guess what it is, we give you a free hamburger.
All right.
So far, nobody's gotten a free hamburger. Okay. So
a little bit of kerosene.
I'll make it with this with just a little bit of soda. Hold on, wait for it. That's it. Anything more, you're not walking out straight.
It dilutes it.
And also, just to mess around with people, I stick an orange in there. Okay. This complements everything. And believe now, listen, this can be clean. Like your kids come in, they want just a clean version of the Dirty Johnson.
Got it.
They can have that also. Great during the summertime. Mix it all up. Let it marriage together. Those tastes come together.
Let's try it out and see. I'll take 2 more, please.
Yeah. To be honest, come on. You're not on Regis and Kelly. This is the honesty show. I know it's good.
No, seriously, I'll take 2 more. Line them up. That's really good.
So
you can't even really taste the alcohol in that.
That's a good thing and a bad thing.
Yeah.
Because in the morning you're like, what the hell was a license plate on that truck?
What was Christian making at the bar last night?
Yeah.
No, that's really good.
Yeah. One day when we were opening this place, we were all working here late at night, and we started, to put some drinks together, and we messed with a bunch of different things. And I've been making this tea for years. We decided, but I've never put any alcohol in it. So we decided let's just fill around, see what happens, and the Dirty Johnson was born. Then the Dirty Johnson had kids. So the Dirty Johnson had the Dirty Johnson blue version. He had the Dirty Johnson Southern style.
Yeah.
You can have the Dirty Johnson coconut style. Those are only for the crazy people, though.
Got it. So somebody can come into the bar and say, "Make me a Dirty Johnson Southern style," and you know exactly what that means.
Dirty Johnson is kind of like a type O blood negative. You ever heard of that? It's the one type of blood that can go with anybody who's hurt. You mix the Dirty Johnson with anything,
and
it'll taste good.
Yeah, it cures your ailments.
It's like duct tape or spackle.
Duct tape. Windex.
Windex. That's the way it works.
It's really good.
Right?
It's actually really good. You guys all seem like you're a very close-knit family, like everybody who works here.
For the most part.
For the most part. What's the atmosphere like between the staff, and then what's the atmosphere like, say, on like a typical Friday night? Like, what's the place like?
I tell you what. So like tonight,
and
Erin's like our go-to girl. If you come on a Monday night, Erin's gonna take care of you. She's awesome. Her mom works there, and her sister works there.
Nice.
So we make sure we keep them together, because if not, then they'd talk about us behind our back. So we make sure we do that. Just kidding, Erin. No. Everybody who's here is here for a reason. You know, and it makes it good, fun to come to work. So, but if you come on a Friday night, you're gonna see it. Hopefully, it's packed. People having a good time. You know, during early in the weeks, you know, you see a lot of families in here.
Yeah.
On the weekends, we have a bunch of guys in here also. Sundays is during the football season is WEEI Day. We usually do a radio show here on Sunday mornings during the football season.
And people really, can come in and sort of watch that being
oh yeah, people
live
come in. You know, we make breakfast, we serve the donuts. So the donuts were born. I said I had something else. I brought the tea and they bring the donuts.
Nice.
Nice. But some of my other ideas haven't gone off as well. I tried to do the whole waffle thing. It didn't really take off.
No.
I wanted like chicken and waffles.
I've seen you in the kitchen. The waffles kind of scare me a little bit.
But Paul, the chef, says I'm better off in the front, you know, shaking hands and kissing babies instead of in the kitchen. So
yeah, well,
you
make a good drink.
Yeah.
This is good. So thank you, Christian, for introducing us to your kitchen and letting us into your restaurant. Thank you for watching.
Oh, wait, hold on. Like I said, you're an official dirty girl.
I'm an official dirty girl.
So
now.
There's your official
Sweet.
Shirley Johnson Sports Bar girl. And on the back, Surly, you're drunk.
Thank you. All right, I'll wear that later.
Yes.
Thank you very much. All right, let's eat.